Hello friends, sorry for the defects in audio. Actually, you have to tell me rather earlier. I had no idea that you are facing the problem of audio. In the last 2 or 3 days, I got so many messages about the audio, and then I realized that you are really facing the problem. I was thinking that God is in the heaven and all is well. Let's let it go. Tell me whether the sound of this particular video is clear or not. Just comment below in the comment section. Let us go to our session. Today's session is about measure for measure, a play. Measure for measure is Shakespeare's play, the greatest playwright in the history of the entire mankind. Measure for measure comes in the category of Shakespeare's problem plays. It is also known as dark comedy. Shakespeare's measure for measure is the presentation of the darker side of Angelo, newly appointed deputy in the court of Vienna. The Duke Vincenzo, Angelo, Escalus, Claudio, and Claudio's sister Isabella are the central characters in the play around which the whole plot of the play is woven. The setting of the play is Vienna city. Though it is written at an experimental stage, the story of the play is catchy one. Do enjoy it. I assure you will like the play. Let us jump to our topic, MCQs on measure for measure. Number 1. Which of the following is true to measure for measure? Options are A. It is a comedy by William Shakespeare. B. It comes under the category of his problem plays. C. It is set in Vienna. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 2. Pick out from the following the source of Shakespeare's measure for measure. Options are A. Cynthia's Gill Hectamity. B. George Whitestone's Promos and Cassandra. C. Both. D. None of these. Correct option is C. Both. Number 3. At the outset of the play, the Duke Vincenzo appoints Dastas as his deputy. Options are A. Escalus. B. Lucio. C. Angelo. D. Claudio. Correct option is C. Angelo. Number 4. Pick out from the following the word in measure for measure. Options are A. Isabella. B. Juliet. C. Madame Overton. D. Mariana. Correct option is C. Madame Overton. Number 5. Who of the following is arrested at the outset of the play measure for measure? Options are A. Claudio. B. Lucio. C. Provost. D. Escalus. Correct option is A. Claudio. Number 6. For which of the following crime Claudio is arrested? Options are A. Lechery. B. Murder. C. Revolt. D. Theft. Correct option is A. Lechery. Number 7. Who of the following speaks the dialogue given below? Come, fear not you, good counselors lack no client. Though you change your place, you need not change your trade. Options are A. Claudio. B. Lucio. C. The clown. D. Proust. Correct option is C. The clown. Number 8. Identify from the following the beloved of Claudio. Options are A. Isabella. B. Madame Overton. C. Mariana. D. Madame Juliet. Correct option is D. Madame Juliet. Number 9. As published among the people, the Duke Vincenzo has gone to dash. Options are A. Poland. B. France. C. Egypt. D. Netherlands. Correct option is A. Poland. Number 10. Identify from the following the nun in Measure for Measure. Options are A. Juliet. B. Isabella. C. Mariana. D. Francisca. Correct option is D. Francisca. Number 11. Pick out from the following Claudio's sister. Options are A. Julieta. B. Isabella. C. Francisca. D. Mariana. Correct option is B. Isabella. Number 12. Who brings the news of Claudio's arrest to Isabella? Options are A. The clown. B. Lucio. C. Froth. D. Elbow. Correct option is B. Lucio. Number 13. Who speaks the dialogue given below? Well, heaven forgive him and forgive us all. Some rise by sin and some by virtue fall. Some run from breaks of ice and answer none, and some condemned for fault alone. Options are A. Angelo. B. Scalus. C. Isabella. D. Lucio. Correct option is B. Scalus. Number 14. Which of the following is true to the clown in the Measure for Measure? Options are A. He is a servant of Mistress Overton. B. He is a tapester. C. His name is Pompey Bum. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 15. Which of the following is true to Elbow? Options are A. He figures as a constable in the play. B. He has been in the place of a constable for 7 years and a half. C. Both are true. D. None is true. Correct option is C. Both are true. Number 16. Which of the following is true to Mariana, a character in Measure for Measure? Options are A. She was engaged to Angelo. B. Her brother Frederick was a famous soldier. C. She substitutes for Isabella for Angelo's pleasure. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 17. With which of the following epithet Isabella hails Angelo? An adulterous thief. B. A hypocrite. C. A virgin violator. D. All these. Correct option is D. All these. Number 18. Who hails Angelo as a pernicious caitiff deputy? Options are A. Isabella. B. Escalus. C. Lucio. D. Mariana. Correct option is A. Isabella. Number 19. Who calls Friar Lodovic a meddling friar? Options are A. Lucio. B. Escalus. C. Claudio. D. Mariana. Correct option is A. Lucio. Number 20. Mariana goes to the garden house of Angelo on dash dash night. Options are A. Sunday, B. Tuesday, C. Thursday, D. Friday. Correct option is B. Tuesday. Number 21. The Duke hands over Bernardine to dash dash at the end. Options are A. Friar Peter, B. His family, C. Citizens, D. The Duke's men. Correct option is A. Friar Peter. Number 22. At the end of the play, Angelo marries to dash dash. Options are A. Juliet, B. Madame Overton, C. Cat Keep Down, D. Mariana. Correct option is D. Mariana. Number 23. Who of the following disguises as Friar Lodovico? Options are A. Vincenzo the Duke, B. Scalus, C. Claudio, D. Prost. Correct option is A. Vincenzo the Duke. Number 24. Pick out the head of brothel in Measure for Measure. Options are A. Mistress Overton, B. Cat Keep Down, C. Mariana, D. Francisca. Correct option is A. Mistress Overton. Number 25. In Measure for Measure, the dowry of dash dash is lost at the sea. Options are A. Mariana, B. Isabella, C. Francisca, D. Cat Kept Down. Correct option is A. Mariana. Number 26. Who of the following substitutes for Isabella for Angelo's pleasure? Options are A. Mariana, B. Madame Julieta, C. Francisca, D. Somebody else. Correct option is A. Mariana. Number 27. The head of dash dash is sent to Angelo in Measure for Measure. Options are A. Razzine, B. Bernardine, C. Froth, D. Pompey Bum. Correct option is A. Razzine. Number 28. Razzine, the notorious pirate in the prison in Measure for Measure, dies of dash dash. Options are A. Tuberculosis, B. Fever, C. Cancer, D. Plague. Correct option is B. Fever. Number 29. Who of the following is similar in appearance to Claudio? Options are A. Razzine, B. Bernardine, C. Lucio, D. Elbow. Correct option is A. Razzine. Number 30. Identify from the following the criminal in Measure for Measure who refuses to be executed in his drunken state. Options are A. Bernardine, B. Razzine, C. Frederick, D. Froth. Correct option is A. Bernardine. Number 31. The Duke Vincenzo proposes to dash dash. Options are A. Isabella, B. Francisca, C. Juliet, D. Cat Keep Down. Correct option is A. Isabella. Number 32. Which of the following is true to Cat Keep Down? Options are A. C is a prostitute, B. Lucio had illegal relation with her, C. Lucio is forced to marry her at the age, D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 33. Mariana a character in major for major inspired dash dash to write a poem of that name. Options are A. Coleridge, B. Matthew Arnold, C. Tennyson, D. T.S. Eliot. Correct option is C. Tennyson. Number 34. Lauren Willing's novel 2L is based on Shakespeare's play entitled dash dash. Options are A. Measure for Measure, B. All is Well that Ends Well, C. Love's Labour Lost, D. The Merry Wives of Windsor. Correct option is A. Measure for Measure. Number 35. Who of the following acts as a magistrate in Measure for Measure? Options are A. Aeschylus, B. Provost, C. Elbow, D. Lucio. Correct option is A. Aeschylus. Number 36. The Duke in Measure for Measure lets a number of strict laws go unenforced over the past dash dash years. Options are A. 3, B. 5, C. 7, D. 14. Correct option is D. 14. Number 37. Angelo demands Isabella dash dash as a bribe to spare life of her brother. Options are A. Money, B. Gold, C. Land, D. Her body for pleasure. Correct option is D. Her body for pleasure. Number 38. A famous speech in Measure for Measure, Be Absolute for Death is delivered by dash dash. Options are A. Duke Prior, B. Angelo, C. Aeschylus, D. Claudio. Correct option is A. Duke Prior. Number 39. Angelo had contracted to marry to dash dash. Options are A. Francisca, B. Isabella, C. Cat Keep Down, D. Mariana. Correct option is D. Mariana. Number 40. Who sings a song Take Those Lips Away in Shakespeare's Measure for Measure? Options are A. Isabella, B. Mariana, C. Juliet, D. Madame Overton. Right answer is B. Mariana. Number 41. Bernardine had been imprisoned 9 years on the charge of dash dash. Options are A. Murder, B. Theft, C. Lechery, D. Riot. Correct option is A. Murder. Number 42. Identify from the following the executioner in the Measure for Measure. Options are A. Abortion, B. Elbow, C. Provost, D. Pompey. Correct option is A. Abortion. Number 43. To abortion, his occupation is dash dash. Options are A child's play, B. Pious duty, C. A mystery, D. A devilish act. Correct option is C. A mystery. Number 44. Which of the following is true to Bernardine? Options are A. He is a Bohemian born, B. He is going to be executed with Claudio, C. He is in the prison for the last 9 years, D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 45. Who calls the Duke a ladies' man? Options are A. Lucio, B. Angelo, C. King of Hungary, D. Froth. Correct option is A. Lucio.